Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, October 13th. Going to do my nightly review of gold. So gold here has again broken under the 200 MA, and after breaking through it to the bear side, we back tested it, failed. Another back test failed. So something to be aware of that is that gold bulls need to regain this 200 MA as support, and it's currently at 1260.90. We'll see where it opens up. Currently it's 5:30 my time Eastern Standard. We'll see where it opens up at 6 and see where we fall through for the week. On the weekly time frame, we have an inside candle here. I know if those who follow me on my video know the importance of inside candles and why I follow them. So the high and low of this candle is within the high and low of this previous candle. As long as we don't close the week below the low of this candle, which is 1243.20, we'll have an inside candle. I really doubt we'll break above 1322.60. Obviously, gold bulls would love that, but it's not likely to happen. So anyways, the patient, safe thing to do is to wait out to see how next week's candle forms in comparison to this inside candle that's forming this week with 1 day left. And a break above the high of this, currently at 1266.80, would be a bull break. And you can play gold bullish longer term, and since it's a weekly chart, and a break below of 1251.20 would be bearish, and you can play gold bearish mid to longer term. Obviously, gold could move up here and then close back below under the high of this candle. So patience is definitely in order for those who want to start a long-term position in gold. I would really wait for the close of next week and see how it closes in comparison to this. But if you want to get in early, you can get in early whenever it breaks this coming week above this this high of 1266.80, assuming that that's going to be the high that we stay under this week. Also be aware that we could have another candle here and we could form a bear flag on the weekly and could see more downside. So lots of things could play out. So it's pretty important for me, I think, for those who want to play longer term to wait it out. So gold levels to watch, again, is a 200 MA currently at 1260.90 and moving up. And also how this candle forms to finish the week and how next week's price action reacts to this inside candle here. As far as miners go, I don't know if we have inside candle. Let me see. On junior miners, we do have an inside candle, similar to gold. On senior miners, I think that we broke below that. Yeah, so we don't have it on senior miners, but we do have it on junior miners. So on the weekly, you can look for that too. Let's go back to JNUG on the daily. Actually, let me go to GDX. That's easier for me right now. So that's what I'm following. So GDX on the weekly is trying to form a bullish reversal. Again, there's 200 MA on the weekly here. That's acting as resistance. Currently at 2365. Gold bulls would like a nice Friday to close above it, and that would create a bullish reversal hammer on the weekly. Obviously, we would need next week to follow through on that. So we'll wait and see how that goes. Now, today's trade, people are wondering how bull miners made such a run with gold still showing weakness. And what happened was early on with gold, let's use a 5-minute chart, you saw a nice overnight move, and then again you saw some weakness. But right around here, we saw a bounce in gold, and that was around, what is that, 130. So around 130, we saw gold bounce off its lows of the day. And if you go to SPY, miners move with markets and gold. So when both are going in the same direction, bullish, it's very bullish for gold miners. But obviously, while SPY was rallying off the oil inventories, gold was still showing weakness. But again, right at 130, let me see here, 130 time, we saw this move up here, and then you can see it in miners. I bet it lines up with around 130. Yeah. So 130 right here. So 130 gained the 20 MA on the 5-minute and just took off. And that's because, again, with markets being up, gold bounced off its lows and had a nice little bounce. Saw some profit taking, and the profit taking was right at the 10 MA, I believe, on the daily. Yeah, so long upper wick at the 10 MA on the daily. Gold miners still have a lot of work to do. I would not hold it long term yet. Again, the levels of gold to watch for are the 200 MA on the daily. If you want to take a really, really long term position and really believe in the miners and this gold bull run, then you really want to wait for the inside candles on the weekly to form and to see which way it breaks, bullish or bearish. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have another great day. Hopefully gold will follow through for the gold bulls. I am still long-term bullish on gold until this breaks here, under here, which is, that's minor, sorry. Until gold breaks below the low of this candle at 1201.50. It's still currently setting a higher low, so I am still long-term bullish gold. Again, that will all change for me if this inside candles form and we breach it to the downside. Then I do think that we will test the low of this candle and possibly break below it, and then I will change my tune to bearish gold in the longer term. So everyone have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.